We're trying Campbell's chunky, wicked Thai style chicken, rice, and vegetables. I wonder what wicked means. I wonder if it's spicy. Nothing indicating a spice level. Anything spicy in here? Cayenne pepper sauce. And that's contains less than 2% of cayenne pepper sauce. Is that it? Yeah, it looks like that's the only spicy thing in here. Okay, let me dish it up. Oh, it's got a good smell. I can see the carrots and spinach and rice. They're typical Campbell's chunky processed chicken. Some red pepper. Let's see, chicken stock, carrots, white meat chicken. That's all it says. It's obviously been processed and pressed. Let's start with the Cuba chicken. Very soft texture, extremely soft. A little bit of heat there. Let's see if I can get everything here. I want a little bit of everything. Oh, what's that? Is that a mushroom? That looks like a mushroom. Sure does look like a mushroom. Is there mushrooms in here? There's carrots. Yep, mushrooms. All right. That's pretty good. It's a mild heat. Yeah, that's a mild heat. Yeah, so this one's pretty good.